Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Walkitrex lightweight walking shoes. So you should buy these shoes or not, and what are the major problems, they are legit or it's another scam. So you should buy, it's really worth it or not. So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you some major red flags, and after that you can make a decision like you should buy these shoes or not. So the first major red flag is like the product. So basically you can see like this is the product, and the same product is available on some other websites. Like this is the website, like the website name is like I want to show you something. The website name is hike, you can say like hike balance. Okay, so this is the website hikebalance.com, and you can see over here like the same, you can say like shoes is available on different websites. Different websites is selling same kind of shoes, and the product is also available on DHgate only in $16-17. So this is the first major red flag. If the product is really genuine, so how is this possible? How is this possible? The same product is available on different websites. It's impossible. Now if we talk about the second major red flag, that is like you can see over here, when you visit on these websites, they are, you can like claiming like 4.8 ratings based on 13,000 reviews. But when we making a research on this you can say like website or on this claim, the reviews is not available. The reviews is not available on Trustpilot. There is no single review, and if some review is available, like all are overly negative, you can say. Okay, and you can see like the same, you can say like product is available on different websites. Like you can see this is the website, and smart elitedeals.com, and this is the also the same website like pickdeals.co.uk, and the same shoe, each and everything is same. The only difference is like this tagline. You can see over here this tagline is only different, but the product and the quality, each and everything is looking same. So these are the major red flags. Now if we talk about what is the main problem, the main problem is looking like this is looking like a dropshipping product. Okay, and dropshipping product, when you place your order, your money will deduct from your account, but you will not get your product. And if you get the product, the quality of the product is totally bad, you can like waste of money. And when you try to get your money back, it's impossible to getting your money back, because their refund policy is very hard. You are not able to get your money back very easily. Okay, so the thing is you should avoid. Okay, if you are not going to avoid, then it means you are going to throw away your money. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and that's it for today. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, and thanks for watching this video. Please share your comment, please share your experience, and that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.